I started was that I was a performer. I do singing, hosting. Initially, I also did a little bit of dancing and acting, but I progressively went on to being an arts enrichment facilitator. So that's how Kingdom Kreations is now. So what we offer is a lot of a communication-based curriculum for kids, for children, and also storytelling, entertainment side of education. So I like to call it edutainment. Basically, it started appearing on my Instagram feed. So I started to follow the account and just quietly watch what was going on. I think I was really struggling with my brand or figuring out what I wanted for myself or my company. So I think I needed a clearer direction. I needed to know where I was headed, what I needed to look forward to, and what I represented. The very first day, I remember it was very overwhelming because she threw everything out of the box. There was so many things that I didn't know about, and I do have a little bit of background in marketing and media. So it was so surprising that there was so much more information that I could get. I thought I would be completely overwhelmed in the very beginning, but as we progressed on weekly, I took maybe I saw her once a week. It wasn't so bad, but it was still a lot of information to absorb. I think it helped me plan, it helped me organize my structure better. It also helped me see what was missing, what I needed to be better at, and how to balance everything out. So I would say through these 3 months, it was very enlightening. There was so much to learn. It was literally like a crash course of information. Maybe like even, I would say it would even be like a diploma course, and then you crash everything into 3 months, something like that. But yeah, it was really good. A lot of insights, a lot of tools given as well. And it actually made me think a lot about what I wanted also and how to progress on for that. So it started a new journey for me.